64-27, Tulsa wins over Rice, and now Damaris Johnson. You do know we could have you in every postgame. We just don't do it sometimes because we think you get sick of seeing us. But here you are with a 94-yard return of a kickoff. You got to think it's a special day.
Definitely a special day. Early I was playing with the coaches saying today was my birthday. And I just was playing with him. I told him I was going to have a big day. But, G.J. Kinney, he was on, for the offense. That led to the special teams. He was on today, so he made us play better.
But you had so many catches. You were so wide open. And we talked earlier, they were playing deep quarters, and so there was a lot of room in the middle of the field. At times when you're out there running around, did you feel like there's no way they could cover you?
Yeah, definitely at times, especially if G.J. Kinney puts the ball in the right spot like he did so good today. And other guys taking heat off of me, Thomas Roberson making big plays. So, it was real good. We was just hitting on all cylinders today.
Talk a little bit about the pace and the groove that you guys got into. It just seemed like once you hit that stride, man, you guys just took over.
Yeah, definitely. That's one thing we know we're capable of. We have a lot of playmakers on offense. Once we get going, we're really going. Running the ball, throwing the ball. We just had a real good day today, and we executed real well.
Okay, I want you to walk us through the kickoff return because I got to tell you, I laughed right out loud on the air when you made the kicker miss because that he had no shot. I knew exactly the little hip move you were going to give. So just walk us through the play, what you were seeing, and what you decided to do to the kicker.
I knew it was going to be a good return because the other side I really couldn't see the ball. The sun was in my eye. I kind of missed the first kickoff. I really couldn't see. He kind of let it up kind of high. And the guys, and especially Ricky Johnson, he's my lead blocker, so he's seeing what I'm seeing, and I'm reacting off of him. And I just hit the hole in the kicker, and once I seen him, I was like, okay, I'm good. No way he's going to tackle me because I won't hear the end of that in the locker room.
Hey, I got to ask you now, every time I've been in that, do you have enough room in your apartment or your dorm room for all the game balls that you get? You get them every time. It's amazing.
Yeah, they're stacking up. It's kind of getting to a tradition after the game. Coach Graham just throw me the ball. All the guys all right, we know he's going to get one. So, awesome. It's definitely a big thing.
All right, talk about what this team's doing now. Gotten under a roll. You win the really big game, then you come back and beat a team you're supposed to. Huge game next week at Houston. But are you getting the feeling that this group is really meshing?
We always mesh, but now in the last quarter of the season, we know it's a single elimination tournament. If we don't win out, there's no chance we're going to go to the conference championship. And that's been our goal from the beginning, not to be Notre Dame, but to be conference champion. So we just got a different mindset, and everybody just taking upon themselves just to step the game up.
I noticed in the locker room it was switch gears quickly on talking about Houston. Talk a little bit about the game next week against Houston.
It's a big game. Houston, every time we play, it's a battle, and I know we got to play our best game to win. They have explosive offense. The defense is real good. The coaches just put those guys in position to make plays, and we know we got to play our best game to beat them.
You guys watch other scores at all? We know we have to win to take care of stuff. But then SMU's at UTEP tonight. That's an important game. Do you watch those, or are you really so focused on just what you do that the rest of it doesn't matter?
I would lie if I said I didn't watch their games and watch their scores. Definitely with the SMU, they're in the lead, they're in the leader seat right now. So definitely they affect our play. But once I'm out there on the field, we don't think about that. We just go out and play and execute our plays.
Houston, brother.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Great job today.
Thank you.